morning to all of you dear students. We are learning class 9 science biology. In that we had completed, in our previous video, we had completed the solution for the question bank. Now further we are moving with the practicals which are there into your syllabus. So let's come into our biology lab, and we are starting one practical of chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. In that the first activity which is given into your textbook, to mount the onion peel, or we can say how can we observe a plant cell under a microscope. So let's begin with it, dear students. Okay, so first of all we have to think the materials required in our practical. The very first is the microscope to observe a plant cell. Then we are observing a plant cell, so we have taken the onion bulb, as onion is one plant. Then a knife, pair of forceps, a glass slide. This is called a glass slide, which we have to keep under the microscope for the observation. Then a cover slip, iodine solution, watch glass, and a dropper. Okay, so we are start our practical. First of all, we have to take one onion bulb. We have to cut it into half. Okay, after cutting into half, we have to take out one peel, and we have to remove out one, you can see a translucent layer from the inner side of the peel. So we have to remove it out, and after removing out, we are keeping into the watch glass. In that we had already kept the water. Now why this step is required, why this step is necessary, dear students? To prevent the dryness of the peel. We have to keep our peel into wet amount, so it should not be it should not be dry properly. That so for preventing dryness, we have to keep our peel into the watch glass. Now we have to take one glass slide. Also we have with the help of dropper, we have to put one drop of water onto the glass slide. Now take the onion peel. You can use your paint brush over also here, dear student, for transferring the peel from the glass from the watch glass to the glass slide. Okay, now you can see that this peel looks transparent, and we have to observe the internal parts of the plant cell. So for staining purpose, we are using iodine, 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution here. Why iodine is used? Iodine is like act like one stain over here, which makes visible the internal parts of the plant cell, or we can say the internal parts of the onion cell very much clearly. Then after putting the 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution, we have to cover it with the cover slip. Okay, while keep putting the cover slip onto the onion peel, please make sure that air bubbles should not come, and if the air bubbles are there, you have to gently tap it with the help of either a dropper or a forceps, and remove out the bubbles from the cover slip. Now our slide is ready to observe under the microscope. Now we are keeping the slide under the microscope and observe it. Okay, now we are observing our slide under the microscope. So first of all, how we are going to set the microscope? We have to take this mounting slide, and we have to keep it on the stage. Now we have to cover that slide with the clips, so our slide will be fixed onto the microscope. Now first of all, we are using a 10x power lens. So first of all, we will observe the plant cell under the 10x. We are with this illuminator, we are managing the light of the perfect light of the microscope. Now with this coarse focusing, I just adjust the cells under the microscope. Yes. With the fine adjustment, I make the fine Okay, now just observe how your plant cell, how your onion peel looks under the 10x microscope. Okay, so dear students, this is the look under the microscope. You can easily see the onion cells, or we can say a plant cell under the microscope. Yes, you can easily see a cell walls of onion cell, and the inside the center you can see the one circle dot like structure, that is the nucleus of the cell. So you can easily see a plant cell under the microscope. Getting, dear students? So this is the activity of mounting, or we can say observing a plant cell under the microscope. You can easily see the cell walls of the cell, dear students, and a nucleus, the inside the center part, the nucleus is also over there, and the remaining part, cell wall and the nucleus, and inside the whatever the remaining part is there, that is the cytoplasm. So here our activity is completed.